Alright, let's solve for y and for x. So here's x over here and here's y over here. So this is properly, I guess I should write it like this. So those are degrees. Let me just point something out to you right here. The angle, this full angle has to equal 180. So subtracting these would give me something here, but I don't even have to do that. I'm going to tell you why. Because these three angles right here also, 1, 2, 3, those three angles have to add up to 180 as well. So these two angles have to add up to the same thing that this one angle adds up to, because these two plus this equal 180, just like this one plus this equals 180. So 124 equals these two things added together. Alright, hopefully that made sense to you. If that didn't, you don't really need to know that, but that just makes the problem a little bit easier, because you could very well have done this. I could have looked at this and said right away, it said that these were equal, by the way. So since those are equal, these two angles are equal to each other, which means each of those has to be 62 degrees, because these two angles right here have to add up to 124. If you don't believe me, do it the long way. Subtract 124 from 180. You get 56. Thank you. You get 56. And then if that's 56, what do these two angles here have to add up to? Well, you're just going to undo what you just did. They're going to add up to 124. And if they add up to 124, what's each one of them equal? Half of that, because those are two equal angles. It's an isosceles triangle. So each of those equals 62. Alright, again, I'd probably beat that into the ground, but each of these angles equals 62. So now we can solve for x by setting 2x equal to 62. Well, if 2x equals 62, then what does 1x equal? Divide both sides by 2. This is just an algebra problem. 1x equals 31. That's half of 62. And if this angle also equals 62, then there's our next algebra problem. Solve for y now. Subtract 6 from both sides. 14y equals 56. Divide both sides by 14. I'm going to guess your answer is going to be 4, maybe? Yep, 4. Y equals 4. Usually they turn out to be nice numbers. So x equals 31, y equals 4. Let's check our answers. Let's check to make sure that worked. When I plug 31 in, I'll check in orange. When I plug 31 in right here for x, what's 31 times 2? 62. So that angle's 62 degrees. Let's plug 4 in for y. What's 14 times 4? 56. What's 56 plus 6? 62. What's 62 plus 56? 180. Everything checks out and we're good.